Very, very, very trenchy. Sweet and spicy sriracha, gang.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Oh, he raw dogged those chilies.
Yeah, looks
Blue. Moose. So let's pack our bags, get in a U-Haul, and move. I live in a van. You're too tall and I'm too wide. So let's see if it's actually even any good. Hi baddies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking around, you're like, wait, the scenery looks different, because guess what? We hopped off a plane at LAX with a junior cardigan. Hey, we're in LA, and as you know, we are Canadian down.
yeah.
But one thing we love is food. Yum dilly yum 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 yum.
And we want to find out what LA's all about.
For sure. So step one of this food journey is Chick-fil-A. So we ordered Chick-fil-A. It came speedy down. Our lovely delivery driver Edgar, we knew it was gonna be so good because he came to the door and he literally went, and I was like, he's a funny guy. The food's gonna be good. The foreshadowing, we'll see. If you're new here, I'm Jade and this is Chippendales, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this video. Ciao. What do we got here?
Chick-fil-A. Hey.
Chick-fil-A. Let's tell the baddies what we got.
Chick-fil-A.
No, babe, like the menu.
The menu. All right, here we got smokehouse chicken burger.
I think it's actually called
Barbecue back sandwich.
I don't know. The name will be inserted. Let me get
Yeah, whoop whoop
whoop whoop.
for Chick-fil-A.
I feel like it's necessary that before we even get into the eating at this Chick-fil-A, we need to give it a montage. It's deserved. Crunchy.
It actually is crunchy. A little bit.
Hello? Take a bite of this. So Andrew decided to get a dragon fruit wombo combo diet lemonade frosted drink. Listen, if you ask me, it'd be fine. Cookies and cream is fine. Chocolate milkshake is fine. Vanilla strawberry milkshake even. Maybe if I'm feeling adventurous, milk chocolate. No, what is it? Mint chocolate chip. If I want Colgate smoothie milkshake. It's better than a dragon fruit frosted diet lemonade passion fruit milkshake.
Okay.
So let's see if it's actually even any good.
This is real life, real world trial. You gotta try it.
Wait, but is it good?
It's good, and I think you'll like it too.
Okay. You know what it tastes like?
I know what it tastes like.
Like a creamsicle.
Oh.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say strawberry.
Huh?
Strawberry.
Honestly, I give it a 4 out of 10.
Damn, what the frick? Oh. I gave it an 8 out of 10.
Damn.
Not bad.
Guys, Canada does not have Chick-fil-A mac and cheese. And if we ever have mac and cheese, it's giving soup. Oh my god.
Excuse you?
You almost had to put my face on a t-shirt and plan my funeral. It went down the wrong pipe.
That's crazy.
But if it's the mac and cheese we have in Canada, like the Popeyes, whatever, is like soup de goop. Like very, very, very trenchy vibes. But this, they got a crisp crust on the mac and cheese.
Okay, don't eat it all. Let me try. Okay. Hey, why are you hyping it up so much?
No, because it's
No,
justified.
I wanted it.
It's justified.
Alright. Yeah, it's different for sure. I'm not used to mac and cheese like this. Mmm. Yo, why is it actually good though?
No.
What?
Why?
Chick-fil-A with the mac and cheese, home? Yeah, I don't know. They do it good, I guess. Yeah. That's good.
Rate out of 10.
Nah, it's like a fucking. It's a 10. It's a freaking 10. Freaking 10, guys.
Now I get to try. Ooh. Now it's my turn to try this barbecue burger. You don't have this one in Canada.
Okay.
And low-key, like, gives... My first initial thought was Jamaican KFC. We did not have to fly all the way to Montego Bay. Hey, wait, it's good. Let me get a piece of the bacon. The barbecue sauce is smoky down. Like fog. Call the fire marshals. It's smoky down. It's so good. It's good. You don't even need to, like, I feel like the other sandwiches, you have to put your Chick-fil-A sauce or, like, wait, if you're a Chick-fil-A baddie, what's your favorite sauce at Chick-fil-A? Mine is the sweet and spicy sriracha. Gang. Gang.
Gang.
I feel like the other sandwiches, you have to put the sauce on.
Gang.
What's your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce?
I like the spicy sriracha too.
Aw, twin.
Yeah, not surprising. I'm the spice boss. I was just eating chilies from In-N-Out raw.
Oh, he raw dogged those chilies.
Yeah, like so. I ate like 2 in a row.
They're spicy.
Who even does that? Not anyone I know.
Somebody I know does that. Me.
This guy.
To be honest, Chick-fil-A, love you down. And if you love Chick-fil-A, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I rate this Chick-fil-A experience a approximately 10 out of 10.
A bajillion.
Oh.
Out of 10. It's better in Canada.
It's better than Canada, for sure. Flame. Maple leaf. Igloo. Moose.
The nutshell.
What's in a nutshell?
Thing.
I don't know. I'll Google it and a nutshell. But love Chick-fil-A. We gotta try Chick-fil-A breakfast next. Down. And as always, I'll see you daddy soon. If you made it this far, drop this emoji down below. Y'all, the Chick-fil-A is so good. Chippendale was like, I feel like the food is so good, I want to move here. I said, we're gonna move. Oh, wrong light. How do you do this?
How do you what?
Turn on the light. Ooh, ooh. He was like, I wanna. Oh, there you go.
Jake said, let there be light.
And there was light. He said, the food is so good that he wants to move here. You want to move across to a different country because of Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A. It wasn't just a Chick-fil-A though.
Okay, fair. So let's pack our bags, get in a U-Haul, and move.
It's a long drive.
It's a long drive, so don't be surprised when you see us
You hauling it up.
saying goodbye.
And saying yes to van life for...
I don't see that for us. I cannot live in a van. You're too tall and I'm too wide. It's getting very uncomfortable.
Oh, no.